All right. Hi, my name is Olu Sonia, Executive Director here at Success Prep. And today I'm going to be talking about a problem that a lot of students reach out to me about, which is how to study for the GMAT or GRE math. This is a problem a lot of people have. Lots of folks really struggle with math generally. So when it comes to studying for the GMAT or GRE test on the math side, it really freaks a lot of people out. So today I'm going to talk about just some strategies that we found in 15 years of preparing students to help students really get ready for the GRE or the GMAT math. So the first thing that I hear a lot of students talk about is, hey, I've been out of school for a while. It's been a while since I've done some of this math, and it's just really difficult getting back into it. And even some of the basic things that you knew in high school and even in college, you've forgotten a lot of those things. So how do you kind of tackle that? Well, as I kind of do this presentation, I would just kind of show you a couple of tools and websites that you can use. The first place I usually recommend prospective students to go to is to go to khanacademy.org. So that's khanacademy.org right there. And with khanacademy.org, what you get there is pretty much a kind of going back to the basics. It's a really good website where it helps you using videos to kind of get a lot of the basics that you're probably missing. So if you look on this website right here, khanacademy.org, when you come over here, right here, focus on the math by subject. For the purposes of the GMAT and GRE, you pretty much want to start with the arithmetic, pre-algebra, algebra 1, geometry, algebra 2. There is no trig, there is no pre-calculus or calculus on the GMAT or GRE. Just a little bit of probability and statistics, but not at the level even that you need here for normal school. But pretty much arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and some algebra 2 is really where you need to be. So let's fix, for example, if I go into pre-algebra, under here, say for example I'm having trouble with fractions, click on fractions. What you're able to do with Khan Academy is really much watch videos of some of the same things you've been taught before and just kind of get a really good refresher of how to navigate through things. So say for example, you're having trouble with comparing fractions. So I'm going to click on this. As you can see, it has like a play button. And what you're going to see here is
determine whether 30/45 and 54/81 are equivalent fractions.
So pretty much what you see there is a situation where I'm able to play a video, right, of exactly how to do that type of math. And Khan Academy is great for that. So the first advice I give any student trying to get back into GRE, study for the GRE test or the GMAT test, is to go back to the basics. And a very good website for that is khanacademy.org. So that will be the first place I start. The next thing that students usually struggle with is, I cannot start the problem. So fine, you've worked through the basics, you know the basics, you remember your algebra basics, your geometry basics, your arithmetic basics. Then the question is, when you actually get into the GMAT or the GRE math questions, those become problematic as well. Because yes, you may have the basics, but now you need to know exactly how to jump into the actual GMAT GRE itself. Well, one thing you can really do to help you in that process as you study definitely is to take a prep class. A prep class is always going to be helpful because a prep class helps you to filter out the things you don't need and focus on the ones you do need to focus to do well on the GMAT GRE class. So taking a prep class. Well, at Success Prep, we offer prep classes. So if you come to our website, successprep.com right here, and you just scroll to the middle, it says select a prep course. So you could click on either GRE or GMAT. So today I'm just going to focus on the GMAT one. So click on GMAT right there, click on GMAT Circle, and you could see all the different locations we have. We have classes at Georgia Tech, Kennesaw, and you can just click on any one of those. So for example, if you click on the Georgia Tech class right now, it brings you to this page. It tells you the price, how many seats are left, and all the details are right here in the middle. And you could sign up for a prep class. For those of you that are not local to Atlanta that are still looking for help, there's actually a product that I've created to help you with those GMAT questions and say, okay, I'm looking at the GMAT question, I don't know what to do. But the best book to use for the GMAT test is the official GMAT official guide 2000, in this case 2008. They make a new one every year. But I've actually created a video solution to every question in that textbook, a video solution to every math question in the textbook. So if you click right there in the middle, the GMAT textbook solution videos, it brings you right here to this page. And on this page, you can kind of order a set of over 400 questions, solution to over 400 questions. I'm just going to play a sample of one of those right now. So as you can see here, this is me actually solving through a math question. Now, for purposes of copyright, you're not going to actually see the question in my videos because I expect you to buy the textbook. You buy the textbook, and then you just see my actual solution to every single question in HD quality, sound and quality. So yeah, so that is definitely a tool that you will find to be definitely very helpful in terms of preparing you to kind of get ready for the GMAT level questions. And that is a tool that we have right here on successprep.com that you can use. Again, if you click on the GMAT if you click on the GMAT tab from our homepage, brings you to this page, and you just click on the GMAT textbook solution videos. So my videos are very effective in helping you work through those GMAT level questions. Then the next thing is, and that I hear from students all the time is, hey, I'm too slow. Now I know my basics. I've been able to actually work through GMAT questions, but now I'm at the stage where when I'm taking practice tests, because that's going to be the next level, when you're taking practice tests, I can't finish on time. I'm running out of time. Well, just to let you know, everyone taking the test, everyone preparing for the GMAT or GRE test is generally going to be slow at the beginning. Everybody is slow. No one finishes on time or in time. There's still more questions at the end of time. It really is what I'm trying to say there. So everybody is slowed initially. The trick is making sure that you are not just taking one or two tests, because I see that with a lot of students. A lot of students say, okay, I'm going to take one or two practice tests and I'll go take the test. Well, you're not ready with just one or two tests. You actually need to be taking somewhere in the neighborhood of 5 to 10 tests to really improve your timing. Because improving timing is really a matter of making sure that your brain is kind of adjusted to the speed and the pace at which you need to move to be able to finish each question. So that's one key concept. And on our website, I actually have, again, a practice test tool to help you with that. So if you click right here on when it says GMAT practice test, this yellow button, if you click on that, it brings you to this page where we have a product on our site that allows you to actually, it's a pack of 5 practice tests that navigates you through an actual test, gives you all the solutions, helps you narrow down to the topics you're still struggling with. And that's another tool that really can help you really on the practice test side of things. And so pretty much that is it. Just a couple of tools. I'm going to recap. So to get to really study for the GMAT and GRE math, the first thing you really want to be able to do is to make sure that you're working on your basics. So making sure you go to a website like Khan Academy. And then in terms of the GRE and GMAT level math, coming to our website here at Success Prep, click on either GRE or GMAT. This time I'm going to click on GRE, click on the GRE Circle, and you're able to see the different locations we have. So taking a prep course is helpful. But also, for those of you that are not local, using our practice test button over here to get some practice tests, and also over here, clicking on the GRE textbook solution videos. That is pretty much my breakdown of every single math question in the textbook that we use in the class. So there you have it. I wish you the very best as you study for the GMAT and for the GRE math. And you can always reach us at successprep.com for more helpful tools and advice on how to prepare for the GMAT and the GRE test, both on the math and the verbal. Thank you.